Hello students, this is your chapter 6 fraction exercise 6.7. Okay, question number 5. What is question? The following fractions represent just three different numbers. Separate them into three groups of equal fraction by changing each one to its simplest form. Here numerator is 12, numerator is 2, denominator is 12. So we know that SCF of 2 and 12 is 2. You take SCF of 2 and 12. Okay. By dividing numerator and denominator by 2, we divide numerator and both numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 divided by 2, the result is 1, and 12 divided by 2, 6 times into 6 times. Okay. 2 6 is 12. So 1 by 6 is the simplest form of the fraction 2 by 12. Okay. Now this is question number 4. I am doing some question and you have to solve remaining questions. Okay. Now 16 by 100. We know that SCF of 16 and 100 is 4. Okay. So we divide 16 both numerator and denominator by 4. So when we divide 16 by 4, we get 4 because 4 4 is 16 in 4 times. And here when we divide 100 by 4, we get 25. Okay. So the simplest form of 16 by 100 is 4 by 25. Okay. Now question number 7. Here 12 by 60. We know that SCF of 12 and 60 is 12. Okay, because in the table of 12 both 12 and 60 is came. Okay. By dividing numerator and denominator by 12, we divide both numerator and denominator by 12. So 12 divided by 12 in 1 times. Okay. And 12 5 is 60, so in 5 times. So the simplest form of 12 by 60 is 1 by 5. Okay. Now there is question number 6. Question is, Isa read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Nagma read 1 by 2 of the same book. Who read less? Okay. Since number of pages in the book 100, Isa read 25 pages. That means fraction of book Isa read 25 by 100. When we cancel it by the table of 5 means 20 in 25, we get the short form 1 by 4. Okay. You cancel 5 5 is 5 2 is 10. Again 5 1 is 5 5 4 is. So 1 by 4 is simplest form. Okay. And fraction of book Nagma read equal to 1 by 2. So here denominators are different, so we multiply 1 by 2 with 2 by 2 means equivalent fraction. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So both the denominators are same. So we know 2 is greater than 1 because numerator is same. Therefore 1 by 4 is less than 2 by 4 because 2 is greater than 1. Okay. Hence Isa read less because Isa read 1 by 4. Okay. So Isa read less. Okay. Now question number 7. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Here 2 by 7, 2 by 9, 7 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 1 by 9, 6 by 9 and 5 by 9. We know the denominators of all the fractions are same. So whose numerator is less, the fraction is less value. Okay. So here less 1. So 1 by 9. Then greater than 2 by 9, greater than 3 by 9. In this way we do. Okay. Now here second question, 7 by 8, 7 by 25, 7 by 11, 7 by 18, 7 by 10. Okay. Now all the denominators are different but numerators are same. We know that all the numerators are same, hence the fraction is less value whose denominator is greater. Okay, means when numerators are same, whose denominators is greater, this fraction has less value. So here 7 by 25 is greater, means 25. So this fraction has less value. So 7 by 25, after that 7 by 11, then 7 by 18, then 7 by 11, then 7 by 10, and then 7 by 8. Okay, understood? You do.